Okay, so this is the third day and last day of discussing about us going to Vietnam. So I discussed already South Vietnam and Central Vietnam. Today we're going to talk about North Vietnam. So North Vietnam is the colder region of the country. So it consists of popular and the capital, which is Hanoi, and then um, Hanoi, by the way, has um, a strong backup of the government when it comes to startup. So aside from Ho Chi Minh or Saigon, Hanoi also is well supportive to startups. And then there's Sapa, which is the coldest region in North Vietnam. And then there are other places that I'm not familiar of yet. So when it comes to North, I believe they are more uh, highly cultured. They have more history in there compared to the other regions, um, and a lot of food authenticity and diversity. So, um, like I said, we are asking the Vietnamese locals, the Viets, where are we? Where do you suggest for us to stay? Would it be in South Vietnam, Central Vietnam, or North Vietnam? But today we're discussing about and talking about North. So what's good in North? Is it Hanoi? I believe Hanoi, yes, of course. And like I said, we are a agri-tech startup, so we are focusing on the coffee industry, and North also has a lot of coffee producing regions, particularly Arabica, the Arabica variety, because these trees thrive on mountainous regions. So yeah, if we like the cold weather, which we do, um, obviously North Vietnam is on top of our list. But again, it depends on you guys, the locals, on your suggestions, because you live there and you know the place. So please give us a message and let us know what is the best place in North, and then we'll decide on which is the best suggestion. Thank you.